Digital budget impact models are an essential part of your market access toolkit, enabling you to demonstrate the economic value of your product to your customers in person or via virtual meetings. We combine the expertise of our in-house specialist teams to ensure your communication tool is evidence-based, intuitive, attractively presented, and commercially relevant. Today I'm going to show you how DRG Abacus approach digital budget impact models and explain how our innovative app configuration system can be used to create, update, and control multiple country versions of your app. Our digital budget impact models are all created bespoke for your product's needs, with clear and intuitive design in the branding of your choice. These applications can contain content communicating the clinical and economic value of your product to discuss with key stakeholders. All content is laid out in a clear and engaging way, with all claims referenced should they be challenged in a presentation. Content on the screen is optimized to ensure that key messages and data are communicated without overwhelming the customer, with supplementary information available through the use of layered content. Navigation around the application can be made simply using swipe navigation, or by accessing the main menu and jumping to the section of interest. The Budget Impact Models section of the apps allow you to personalize a conversation for a local setting. All values are pre-populated with reference default values, but can be overtyped to ensure the model is relevant for your customer. Furthermore, models can be configured to take into account parameters of interest, whether that's tailoring the types of treatment under discussion or changing the time over which the analysis is being run. Results screens are optimized to clearly show the economic impact of introducing your product into the marketplace. Results can be interrogated, allowing you to delve into the numbers further, or to see the impact of changing key market uptake assumptions on the local budget. All results are shown graphically, but can also be viewed in a tabular format with other metrics such as population and per patient level results available. After a presentation, a summary of the key inputs and outputs can be emailed from your device to your customer. Our apps can now be partnered with our online app configuration system, which enables you to create as many country versions of the model as required without coming back to DRG Abacus. The app configuration system allows you to update or translate text throughout the app and summary report, change default data, update formatting, and update references on a per-country basis. Once changes have been made on the app configuration system, users can sync the relevant versions onto their devices and instantly have access to that local version. We'd love to explore how we can help with your digital budget impact models. Get in touch today.